Good day, my name is Lloyda Jean Habunan, and in this video, I will briefly explain the chemistry of soap and how it kills viruses like the coronavirus. The soap is made up of a hybrid structure that has a hydrophilic head and a hydrophobic or lipophilic tail. The tail consists of a long hydrocarbon chain that is polar, and the head is a carboxylate group which is nonpolar. When reacted with water, the soap forms a micelle where it traps dirt or bacteria and cleans everything. How is this possible? For example, with coronavirus, the virus is made up of spiky protein, oily lipid membrane, and its genetic material. It won't be killed with water alone due to its fatty membrane that holds its genetic material. So washing with soap is very essential. This is because as the virus interacts with soap, its hydrophobic tail, which is attracted to oil or grease, adhere to the fatty membrane of the virus, while its water-soluble head pulls everything out, which destroys the virus, as its parts are dismantled due to the protective fatty membrane being pulled out. The soap and the annihilated virus can then be easily rinsed with water. However, this mechanism takes a long time to happen, specifically 20 seconds, so washing for a very short period of time is useless. And that is the chemistry of soap and how it kills viruses. Thank you!